Alright guys, thanks for stopping by the channel again. Today we're going to be fishing at Pedro Lake. I haven't fished here in a while, but I noticed that a lot of my buddies have been catching fish here for the past couple weeks. Both air temp and water temp has been going up, and the fish should be shallow. So stay tuned guys, let's see if we can catch a big one.
But they said they didn't want to go. What? They didn't want to go because they didn't know. Are you moving it? No. Look. Drop shot.
Oh, nice catch, bro.
Chico, move. You're in the camera. Oh, you did the bet, right? Whoever gets a fish first jumps in the water. No. You hear me?
Yeah.
He always gets first in the tournament. Throw that one.
Fish on!
Oh, there you go. Fish on, dude.
Finally!
Is it a big one or what?
Nah, it's small.
Slow down, dude. Slow down.
Small one.
Slow down, dude.
Hey.
Hey, I don't know how to check this out, man.
Yeah, learn, dude.
Sure? Good.
We gotta let this live. Small one.
You have Nate or what? Big Nick? Yeah, you don't want to do.
Fish
You
on!
want to go? Fish on. Yeah, you don't want to. Why? He doesn't feel like fishing. What?
Oh, this is a heavy
You're
one.
lying.
You there? You need another. Oh, take it slow. Just take it slow.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh,
Oh! Oh!
small one.
Small one.
Small.
Small.
Cool size.
Oh, that's
Hella cool size right there. Hey, can you
Catch one in front of Jacob.
Where is it at?
right here?
I'm gonna try it right there.
Yeah, right there.
Fish on!
All right. Oh, I can't. I don't. All right. Nice job, dude.
Thank you.
You're making it look too easy. Drop shot master right here.
Ow!
Yank it out hard.
Yeah, I can't get it out.
Let me see. Hold it. Let me see. Nice one. Dude.
Let's go.
Here you go. Fish number one, guys.
Another one.
Might be borderline.
Yeah.
Fish is a fish, dude. Let's see here.
I got it? No shot. Wait, what? Dude, I didn't even feel it.
It probably bit on the drop.
Oh, this is a big one.
Pedro? Lot of bass. Okay, drop it. Nice, nice.
64 degrees, is that what you have?
Let's go.
Ooh, just kidding.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Off the sea rig. Ooh, largy. That's what's up. Don't open it so quick, man. 1.5, 15.
14.5. Yeah.
Right here. Fish right here. That one felt like a good one because it got stuck first. It was like stuck in a rock. And then once it got up, then I was like, geez, it's kind of small.
Oh, 13.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that wraps up the weekend. Overall we did good. We were fortunate enough to find fish, shallow coves, and secondary points, and we were catching them anywhere from 2 to 10 feet. So thanks for watching the video again guys. Stay tuned for the next one.